It's finally here. It's been too damn long. It's finally here. I've been waiting for this for so long. You don't even understand. Wait, here in Egypt, because things are like really like strict here, they've made a hole in my package just so they can do like a chemical analysis because they think like there's some drugs in this or something, especially because it comes from Florida as well. But here's the thing, Legion, I'm just smelling this right now and I'm like salivating so much right now, like I'm drooling, and I'm trying my best not to over exaggerate because like sometimes on YouTube it can seem so fake that someone, because like they are like linked to the supplement company, so like they over exaggerate, like this is like the best thing in the world, مش عارف ايه, and stuff like that. So like this is generally not like that at all. And if you live in Egypt, then this is probably not the best to get because it's really hard to get it into Egypt, especially because of the economic crisis that's going on right now. But if you live outside of Egypt, this is probably one of the best you can get right now. Obviously, we're gonna do a review, and I can't wait to try this energy drink because, okay, I already did. When it first came through the door, I already had like a nice scoop, actually two, because I needed to try how good it was. And the second thing is, the first time was so good I had to do it twice. I just want to point out that there's so many benefits to Legion and it's so underrated. I don't get why not many people get from Legion, and a lot of famous research scientists like Bill Campbell recommend this, all of Legion supplements, not just Whey Plus. Like there's so many they have that is clinically dosed and it's backed up by a lot of research. And not just that, Mike Matthews, the founder of Legion, he himself writes articles and books on science-based information for fitness goers and people that are interested in building muscle and staying healthy for their whole lives. So honestly, this supplement brand is so reliable, and you can even trust the founder himself as well. And they do really care about all their customers, to the point where if you don't like this at all, they'll give you your money back straight away and you keep the supplement. Like that's how much they trust their own stuff. And actually, as we speak, they have a sale on their Recharge and Pulse products. It's a creatine product and it's a pre-workout product. Both have 25% off. And if you're interested to get one of Legion's whey protein or any supplement you want, and you want to get a 20% discount, you can use my code Kareem's Content, and I hope you enjoy that discount. So without further ado, let's try this thing, because hazelnut chocolate especially is so good. And I'm just gonna put right here on all of their flavors. Like they have so many flavors. They have the birthday cake, choco pops flavors. I was like drooling when I was like looking at the list, but I chose chocolate hazelnut because I wanted to get into that winter vibes, do some hot chocolate. And yeah, I'll be making like pancakes and some really cool recipes on my TikTok and Instagram. If you aren't following me on there, go ahead and follow me on there, because I do drop videos there and recipe videos as well. Alright, we got our protein, we got our shaker, we got water. Okay, so just need to put at least like 200 or 300 milliliters of water or milk. Honestly, like I used to always like having milk instead of water, because with any other supplement, I'm not being biased, I genuinely am being so serious. When I try anything else, it's always better with milk. But with this, I genuinely, there's like, it wouldn't matter. Like I think doing this with milk would probably be even better, but it's so good that like it doesn't even matter. Alright, let's get this open. You gotta always find the scoop itself. I think we're gonna make a mess here. Yeah, we did. Okay. Let's get it. And the smell is insane. I guess you can't guys see me properly, but until we get in this. Okay. Alright. Now you just gotta give it a nice shake. If you're much of a beginner that you still don't know how to take a protein shake, then this is the video for you. Gotta shake it Don't make this look weird. Okay, this is bothering the mic. Don't make this look weird.
Three weeks later.
Okay. Oh, anyways, now let's do the taste test. Bismillah. Oh my god. The first thing you need to notice is the texture of the milk or the protein itself. Like when you add water to like most of the supplements, you get that like really, like I don't know, you get the texture of like watery milk. Not even milk, it's just watery and it tastes like chocolate. But this is like genuine milk. Like there's no difference at all. And the chocolate is so dense, like the flavor is strong. It's not even like the fake flavor. And this is stevia. I'm sure this is sweetened by stevia. There's no way. It does contain milk. Yeah, steviol. It's right here. And I'll put the supplements facts right here, and I'll put all of the benefits like right here, just so you see like how OP this supplement brand is. And the link will be in the description if you want to get yourself a supplement today. But yeah, this is bussin'. I'm not gonna lie, it's so good. Oh my god. And this has 1 gram of fat, 110 calories, and 22 grams of protein. Honestly, the protein is the only problem, and I think Legion needs to hear this out. 22 grams on a scoop. I want 27 grams. No, but all jokes aside, like this is really good. 22 grams isn't a lot. I would, yeah, of course, I'd say like we need to bump it up 27 grams, but maybe it's because of like the flavor to protein ratio it matters. I have no idea. Other than that, I rate this with no bias. Okay, I was gonna say 10 out of 10. I'm gonna say 9 out of 10 because this is 22 grams of protein. Other than that, I rate this 9 out of 10. So good. Highly recommended. If there are any other supplements you'd like me to review, I will do a comparison very soon as well for supplements in Egypt versus the ones in the US. And if you're feeling lazy today and you don't even want to go to the gym, then I'd suggest watching this video right here to learn how to overcome your procrastination. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.